And it's like we said earlier, it's like the passion and the addiction. There's a fine line there, and then that's where it starts to fall over to the gambling side.
Well, I think that it comes over to the addiction side, and I think it's. I don't think you shouldn't go into trading purely to make money. You should go into trading because it's interesting. It's compelling that your analysis and you're taking risk, but the most important and what I find the most fulfilling thing about trading is the idea generation and then seeing the success of those ideas.
Yeah.
The money that follows is kind of, it's nice, it's a byproduct, but it's not the reason to do it.
Yeah.
Like I said at Goldman, the most important thing was get the risk right, and then the profits will follow. Well, I must say, I would highly recommend the Institute of Trading Portfolio Management because this is very much aimed at retail traders who want to do it like professionals, have got some money together,